Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing household empties. I just don't want to save the trash no more, so it needs to go. So to get started, I have this Wizard. This is a solid air freshener in the scent Peppermint Twist. This was $1.25 at DollarTree. These are good, and I do think that they eliminate odors, but every time I've been buying them lately, they don't really have a scent to them at all, which makes me a bit disappointed because I like to have scent in the bathroom because this is where I like to use this. But it does help eliminate odors. So I will continue to purchase them, but I am disappointed that you really can't smell any of the scents lately. And then I have the large trash bags, 30-gallon. I believe these are from Walmart. They're flap ties, 10 bags. These served a purpose. They were decent enough bags. They did rip kind of easy, but I would repurchase them, especially for like decluttering and stuff, or just cleaning up, you know, the yard or whatever you might have going on. These did work good for that. I did declutter a ton of stuff using these bags to hold it all. So I would purchase them again. I believe these were $2 at Walmart, and you get 10 bags and they're 30 gallons. Huge. Swaddle Complete. This is the 10.5 fluid ounce bottle from DollarTree. I really love this stuff. I love the scent. It's in a waterfall mist. I love everything about this Swaddle Complete. I really love that it does the stain, and I believe this actually works. I love using this in with Connor's clothing specifically. I'll continue to repurchase this over and over, which I have not actually purchased this in a while. I would, given the chance that I see it at my store. I just haven't seen this one for a while either. So this one's great. Love it. Highly recommend this one. It smells so good. They have lots of different scents of these, but I particularly like the complete one because it does several other things other than just fabric softener. I'll definitely recommend that. Dish soaps, and you've heard me talk about these so many times. Home Bright Ultra Foaming Dish Spray in the scent Ocean Fresh Scent. It's 12 fluid ounces. This is $1 at Dollar General. And I believe I've seen these at DollarTree. Some people hauling them, not personally. But in this bottle you get 20% more. And they also have this in a watermelon scent. This stuff's amazing. This is definitely comparable to the Dawn Power Wash. It has a great nozzle on it, and it works fantastic. This thing suds and cuts grease so well for only $1. I cannot recommend this enough. If you see it in your store, definitely pick it up for $1 because it is totally worth every penny. This is amazing. Definitely recommend this. And of course, my tried and true, my favorite is the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength, and this does instantly cut grease. This was the 56 fluid ounce bottle. Absolutely love this stuff. I will continue to repurchase this. Everything that I try outside of this one, it does not compare. I cannot recommend this one enough. If you're having problems out of your dish soap, highly recommend picking this one up. You won't regret it. This stuff is amazing. Now, I always write my dates on the back so I know, and I started using this one on January the 23rd because I'm always just curious when I buy the bulk sizes how long they actually last in comparison to like a regular bottle. So like a regular bottle would probably do me like a month and a half. This was from January into May. Yeah, and this was under $7. This was $6 and some change. So highly recommend that. This lasts months. I don't have to worry about it. And this stuff's amazing. Amazing. Another product I've talked about on the channel before as well is the Good and Clean disinfectant wipes. Now, I always like to find them in the bonus size, so you get 30 wipes for $1.25. I have found these on rare occasions in my Dollar General for only $1, or they come in like a small, thin, non-plastic tube. So, they don't come in this tube here. They come in just like a regular white package. Does that make sense? This one's in the fresh scent. I prefer the lemon scent, which is the one I'm currently using, but the fresh scent is not bad. I love the packaging on the lavender scent, but as you all know, not a fan of lavender, so I'm not picking that one up unless I absolutely have to. This one was nice though. Same thing. I mean, these are thick, decent disinfectant wipes. You can use these for many, many things. I use these all over the house. I use them in the kitchen, the living room, the bathroom, pretty much every room. Anytime like Connor gets sick or anything, I'm like constantly grabbing for these, cleaning doorknobs, remotes, game controllers, all that stuff. Anywhere his hands are constantly touching and stuff, just to prevent more germs spreading. But anyways, these are fantastic. Definitely recommend these if you don't want to pay a huge price for disinfectant wipes. These work amazing. So does the spray at Dollar Tree as well. It's good. And then this came from Dollar General, and was $1 in their dollar deals aisle. And this is the scrub-free toilet bowl cleaner. This is supposed to clean, deodorize, and it's supposed to be crystal clean. This is 1 pint of product. I think that paying $1 for this was not bad at all, but I don't think that this product performed very well in my opinion. You know how sometimes your toilet can get hard stains on it and just, you know, cleaning in general. This did not help with any of that. This does not compare to my Lime Away, and I really hate that they stopped carrying that at Dollar Tree because I feel that it is more pricey and expensive at other stores. So I'm searching for alternatives. So if you guys know one that is very comparable to Lime Away and is affordable within like, I don't know, $1 to $3, definitely let me know. This was a very thin formula. It does have that like spout like tip on it. Very thin. I like a thicker toilet bowl cleaner that hugs like the bowl, like where you put it, it stays for a little while and then just slowly drags down and cleaning the toilet. I like that. This is not like that. This is like toilet bowl cleaner that was like water, basically. I don't think it did a very good job. I used it completely up because I don't like to waste, but I don't recommend this one. If you have this one, maybe it works for you. This one didn't work for me, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. Like maybe if you see this one and you're contemplating it, maybe pick something else up. That's just my opinion. This was not a good toilet cleaner. So I hope you found these reviews helpful. We'll definitely try some of these products out for yourself. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so much for watching.